Is that the fastest camera drone in the world? Do you think that can keep up with me around the lap in an F1 car? I think that can be one of the best F1 shots ever.
So first of all, let's see if you can beat me in a straight line.
All right, yeah, let's see.
First across the line, fastest wins.
All right, let's do this.
One 50, 180.
It's unbelievable.
250.
It's amazing.
310.
Okay, this isn't a fair comparison.
I think I got you there.
You definitely did. There's a small issue. These cars aren't really made for this type of competition.
Exactly.
Here's a real challenge. You
film a smooth, well-framed shot on a whole lap.
around Silverstone with RB20 with Max driving.
Stupid idea to build this.
It's gonna be hard to get that speed, and then it's impossible to get the endurance for a full lap.
This is gonna be hard.
Yeah.
So why is following a Formula One car around a circuit so much more difficult than in a straight line? F1 cars are unmatched in their ability to go around corners and also to decelerate through braking. Can a drone handle that rapid acceleration and deceleration around the turns? And then there's the distance. The guys are going to have enough battery to fly flat out around this 5.8 kilometer racetrack. And they need to make sure that the motor and electrics can take that amount of sustained power without bursting into flames. And then there's the challenge of having to learn how to fly a completely new aircraft and keep up with a multiple world champion.
So this is what we normally use as an FPV drone for chasing cars. It does like 150 to 180 kilometers an hour. Just doesn't have the power, the top speed, and definitely not the endurance to keep up with an F1 car. We need to rethink kind of what an FPV drone could be.
It's a testing, improving kind of cyclist. Full throttle, baby.
And we came up with this. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Let's see how far we can push this. We're gonna see first if it works, second that it doesn't burn, see how it handles at some higher speeds.
Going up. Oh, Ooh, this wire.
The wire melted.
It explodes.
Drone prototype number 2. Back straight.
Should I land?
Web, yeah, land.
Overheating. Can go maximum 100 degrees and it's already at 120. I turn around quickly, it really wobbles. Aerodynamic hacks. Taping everything. I mean, if it works, it works. Now I'm going faster.
250. Whoa! Holy crap.
Oh, sorry.
It's alive. 0 damage. Oh yeah.
We've tested all we can test in the field.
But it doesn't work on a track.
So we're here at Silverstone for some test laps behind Liam Lawson. We've never done this before. We've only flown in the field so far.
This thing's so cool.
I mean,
chuck it to start it.
no, we have to start it like this, and then it basically tilts like that and flies.
Right.
We'll show you the footage later.
How does it work? By a tracker or you program it via GPS?
No, this is pure manual.
He's the pilot.
I'm the pilot.
Are you kidding?
Yes. This is the time we get to show what we really can do. There is a lot of pressure. It's a long track, it's a fast track, it's hard braking zones.
We are ready to go with a full lap.
A lot of things that could go wrong.
Firing up now. Car out of pit. Car on track.
Yeah, call it.
Drone takeoff.
Drone is in the air.
Signal's still good. I'm going around the turn. It's kind of glitching. Gonna do a bit more full speed on the straight now. Oh,
Did you see that? That's not cool.
I have no video. Hitting return to home.
I see it. Yeah, it's over there.
I have video now. Okay, I'm canceling this lap.
Easy landing, please.
I'm gonna land it in the grass here.
Yeah. 2, 1, off.
It's bouncing down.
It's a bit worse than I was thinking.
It was definitely not in the game plan.
That really scared me a little bit. I still don't know what happened. We lost signal. Flying that drone at 300 kilometers an hour is quite crazy. When we get really close to the car, the wake of the car is just causing so much turbulence on the drone. So I'm really struggling to keep it stable. If we can't fix this, then we cannot do the shot. It's, yeah, it's critical.
No pressure.
Second attempt. Started recording. Going off.
Dude, what's that?
Now you don't see
Dude,
all
it's
of
like
the
a
jitters.
movie when he like comes in like that. Oh, it's so cool. When you watch on TV, nobody understands the speed of Formula One, and with this, you definitely can.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the bridge.
Yeah, that was low over the bridge.
When you do drone footage shooting with an F1 car, it's always passes or follow for a little bit and then it takes off. Or but you can never have a drone that's where it's actually faster than us.
The speed it catches you through here is ridiculous.
Yeah, going through here and then into
Like,
Max
top
Verstappen.
scoring.
I didn't lift much. This is so cool. Now you actually get an idea of how fast you're going by everything. That's so cool, dude.
Now we need to do this with Max.
No pressure, yeah.
If we get Max in the car, we might have an issue with chasing.
We only get one lap because it's the brand new RB20.
We can do all sorts of things probably to improve maybe some aerodynamic changes and improved reliability.
We're going to visit people that know how to help us out.
We have all of the same departments that they use to engineer the car, and we use all of the same tools, techniques, methods, equipment. Formula One is all about the development race. We need to really look at how we can add some performance quickly. We can think about using the aerodynamic side of the business to help make it go quite a lot faster. Some material changes, the composite design side could probably take some weight out. I think there's lots of things we can do to help. We need to work together on this, and then we'll see where we end up.
RB20 helped us with really cool materials. It's shorter, it's lighter, we have a better camera system. Now it all comes down to one lap.
Max is right.
So it flies like this or like that?
Like this.
Looks really cool.
Yeah. We've been working for like a year on this project. It's one of the fastest drones in the world, but it's the fastest filming drone in the world.
So do you think you can keep up with me
Yeah,
for a full lap?
We've not picked the easiest driver to do this. We have to film Max Verstappen, the 3-time world champion, in the RB20.
That is Max getting into the car.
How confident are we feeling?
10 out of 10. If it doesn't rain.
I'm not nervous normally, but now it's slowly getting me.
Firing up, the car is ready to go. Are the drones team ready?
Okay, let's get ready to go.
This is the only lap we have for the RB20.
Okay, ready?
Car leaving the garage.
Oh, it's there already. Ready? Recording. Okay, let's go up. Launch it.
There's a drone in the air. This will be our full lap. Drone is starting the full lap.
I'm on him.
Oh, this kind of shots never really been done before. The quality is really good. Oh wow. Now you have to also be careful with the bridges to go just over it. It's crazy. I never thought, to see a drone going that quick. It gives a different perspective to watching Formula One.
Very little bit to the side and then try to match up. And follow first do that.
Yeah, it's really nice. Bit of a shame with the rain.
Well, next we need a full speed dry lap behind you.
Sure. This can change how people watch Formula One.